QR Mobile Data uses mobile forms to ensure that all required information is accurately recorded, securely stored, and is accessible on demand to all authorized employees. You can create any type of mobile forms and checklists for the internal business operations. Since these forms include, for example, equipment maintenance forms, equipment service and repair forms, safety inspection forms, product acceptance forms, field reports and requests forms, fleet inspection and driver's vehicle inspection reports, equipment inspection checklists, SOP checklists, field equipment damage reports, job site paperwork, construction daily logs, tasks completion checklists, and so on. It is not surprising that many of QR Mobile Data users are in the business of construction. And since these customers use Procore to manage all sides of their business, it makes a lot of sense to integrate QR Mobile Data with Procore, so our customers could access all of their paperwork at one location. This way, once you complete any form on your phone or tablet, it becomes available on Procore and can be accessed by all authorized employees. Connecting QR Mobile Data to Procore is really easy. You log into your QR Mobile Data account. In the main menu, select Integrations and click on the Connect Procore account. At this point, the system will ask you to log into your Procore account. After you successfully log into Procore, the task is complete, your QR Mobile Data and Procore accounts are connected. Now, instead of Connect to Procore account, the menu reads Disconnect Procore account, but of course we are not going to do that. What we want to do at this point is to log into Procore and prepare the area where the forms filled out by your employees will be uploaded and stored. To do that, you click on your project, go to Project Tools in the main menu, and click on the Documents. Here you see the list of folders and documents for your project. Let's click on the New button and create a new directory. I will call it Maintenance, since in our example employees are going to upload completed maintenance forms. Now we can return to QR Mobile Data and create a mobile form that employees will use to record a maintenance inspection. In fact, we already reviewed creating mobile forms in other videos, so here we will use the water pump maintenance form we created in advance. The form itself is absolutely standard when it comes to form fields and sections, but I want to point your attention to the Procore section of the Update Form page. We connected this form at a project level, which means it will be valid for only a specific project. And we need to note the name of the folder that we created a minute ago on the Procore side, as a place where the completed forms will be stored. The last thing that we need to do is to create report template. Template allows you to define what data will be included in the PDF report, how the report will look, and control its layout. In simple terms, the template is a Microsoft Word file that can include any formatting elements you want. You will find link to the help file discussing how to create template at the bottom of the Forms dashboard. Essentially, you place names of the form fields surrounded by double braces where you want the data to be shown on the report. Here is the template we use for our example. Now we can test the app and its integration with Procore. I tap Forms and Records and scan QR code of the item for which I want to complete our form. Next, I tap Start a new record and select the form I want to work with. In our case, it is water pump maintenance. From this point on, I fill out the form, section by section, line by line. I can take a picture or attach a photograph to my form. I can also use form tools, such as checkboxes, drop-down lists, and so on. When the form is completed, I can sign it and upload to the My Procore account. Now let's see how does it look on the Procore side. I log into the Procore account. Navigate to the project I am working on, then to the Documents folder, and then to the folder Maintenance. And here is our completed form in the PDF format. You can review it right here, or you can download it on your computer and open it in Adobe Acrobat. You can see that QR Mobile Data makes it easy to create mobile forms. What is, in our opinion, is even more important, is that it is really easy for your employees to complete these forms, and that the moment a form is filled out, it is available to all authorized personnel on the Procore. Please contact us through the website mobile-forms-software.com or call us at 806 3300. We are in beautiful Boise, Idaho, it's Mountain Time Zone.